CT. The aim of this study is to offer a methodological contribution to systematic and strategic analysis of information in organizations. The analytical procedures are based on the measurement of factors that determine the organizational activity, and currently are developed through heterogeneous definitions and different practices. However, the strategy of organizations requires an integral management of information. On the one hand, the parameters that constitute the dimensions of the organizational activity can define the analytical architecture on a matrix. Moreover, from the range of conceptual proposals adopted as information structuring and preparation mechanisms for analysis, the concept of indicator is the key subject that synthesizes our knowledge. In accordance with this relational structure of parameters, the metric indicators will be classed and arranged in their application according to how they relate to different levels of the activity, according to the mode that refers to the nature of their results, and finally according to how they correspond to different deployments. In short, our methodology is based on an indicator system model that follows a matrix architecture. After a synthetic explanation of the parameters that determine and constitute the dimensions of the analytical architecture, is designed the axial structure of our methodological proposal, the matrix indicator system. 1. Introduction. Information analysis is the nuclear process of information management. The results from the analytical procedures are integrated into scientific research processes. They help with taking decisions in any sphere of human activity, and they provide the necessary knowledge for designing the strategy of organizations, groups or working groups, etc. For this reason, having a methodology that validates analysis as an integral information management instrument is a matter of huge importance. Finally, it is not only interests that are at stake, but also the survival and progress of the agents that implement the analytical processes. In this work, we understand that the analytical architecture of the information is associated with the sequential structure of the application of a system of indicators. What lays the basis for the information of an activity or phenomenon are the data that we have. But the data are the result of the measurements of the constants or variables corresponding to the parameters that describe this activity or phenomenon, and which we obtain on the basis of rigorous observation. The analysis of the relation of these measurements allows us to explain the activity or phenomenon that we observe. Indicators are defined as the parameters that are used in the evaluative process of an activity or phenomenon. Sancho, 2001. We understand that the parameter is the variable element according to which the characteristics of any phenomenon are determined, and the indicator, the CCI X8 index matrix indicator for MetaTrader 4, shows bullish and bearish trends based on the CCI technical indicator. The indicator gets displayed in a separate MT4 chart window as a simple to use buy and sell trend histogram. Key points: a buy trend occurs when the matrix histogram is positioned above the 0.00 neutral level. A sell signal occurs as when the matrix histogram is positioned below the 0.00 neutral level. Quickly and easily identify all trending markets makes Forex trading easier than ever before. Analyzes 28 currency pairs simultaneously to calculate strength. Ranks each currency in order of strength in each time frame. The nature of currency trading means we are always trading one currency against another, and the value of each currency will change based on their relative strength to each other. Being able to measure this relative strength in real time gives currency traders a significant advantage in the currency market. Find strong and weak currencies with ease gives a great confirmation on trades you want to take. If a currency is getting stronger, look to buy. If a currency is getting weaker, look to sell. There are many ways to calculate the absolute strength of a currency, but usually they all try to extract it considering all the values of another indicator across multiple pairs. In other words, to calculate the strength of JPY, for example, an algorithm will analyze the values of the same indicator in all the pairs involving the JPY. This concept might seem a bit confusing if you are new to currency strength, but don't worry, you will understand by reading further. Introduction to Currency Strength Matrix. Currency Strength Matrix is a currency strength meter tool developed to measure the strength of the 8 main currencies. The absolute strength of a currency can be a good indicator of a potential movement of the market. A matrix of values shows the strength of the currencies. In this matrix, each row is a currency.